Hi guys, if you want to check internal storage capacity on Samsung Galaxy M35, then let's see how to do it. So for that, first of all go to settings and then scroll down. Here tap on device care option and then tap on storage. Now here you will be able to see everything about your internal storage. You can see my internal storage memory is 128 GB and I have already used 46.6 GB, which is the total 36% used. And if I click on this show more option, I am able to see my storage memory categories wise: videos, images, document, audio files, system apps and others. And if you want to open and see any of these categories, simply tap on it and you will be able to see all your content. Let's say I want to access my audio files. Here are my all audio files. If I want to see all my apps, I will simply tap on apps and here I will be able to see which apps using how much memory. And if you scroll down, here you will be able to see trash, unused apps, duplicate files and large apps and how much memory they are holding. Here you can see I have 616 MB in my trash folder. I have 2.25 GB of unused apps. You can see all the unused apps from here. Similarly, if you want to see your duplicate files, you can check it out from here. You can see these are my duplicate files. And in case if you want to delete those duplicate files from your internal storage, simply tap on select all option and all the duplicate file will be automatically selected. And simply tap on delete files and the duplicate file will be deleted. Now let's go back. And here another option is large files. If I tap on it, from here I will be able to see all my large files. You can see here are all my large videos. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily check internal storage capacity and everything inside it on your Samsung Galaxy M35. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.